and stuff like this. Got coolant over everything. Yeah, I think we did it. Well, like I said, only time will tell. It doesn't make sense because the air goes through there, it sucks it. But this is some type of chamber, maybe it's a vacuum chamber. That's to keep certain, I don't know. The brakes have a vacuum chamber back there, but I'm not seeing smoke anywhere else. And we'll go under the car. Well, look under the car. I'll bring you with me. That's about where the smoke was coming from. See if we see anything under here. I don't. Do you? Okay. Well, and just so you know that we are still producing smoke. We'll pull it out of here. And look at it. Still putting out a lot of smoke. So this thing works really good. Really good. So I'll turn it off. And they say you could leave it stored with smoke in it, or smoke fluid. So let that, I don't know if smoke's good or bad for that. We just did get gas today, so filled up full tank. But we'll turn off the engine light. I'll show you how to do that. Let me okay. Okay. Well, maybe let me wash my hands. I'll be in the car with that. I'll disconnect this for now. I'll leave this open. But they said you can leave the smoke fluid inside. Won't hurt it. For storing. Again, the smell is kind of like wax, candle wax. So this thing worked really well. It gets hot though. Probably a good idea to let it cool down before you store it. Still with me? Yep. So unscrew this. Let's see how much oil we used. Just curious. Yeah, look at it's about. You can see it. Here. Can we take that off? Make sure you get it all the way down there, I guess. Twist it around a little bit, just gently. But it looks like it's about right there. There's a little bit left in there. See, we used some. We used a little bit, but not a lot. So it's pretty efficient. Let's just say that. But it's warm right now, so very handy. Real happy with this thing. Very, very happy with it. Put the thing back in. Maybe I did. It's clear, that dropper thing. I got the dipstick. Oh, here it is. Yeah. Followed it around. This is what I was looking for. Okay. And it's still pretty warm, so I'll let it cool down. All right. Came over here to wash my hands. There we go. Nice to have that out here. Let's check the smoke and the gas cap. Doesn't look like there is any. Let's close this. Let's get the reader out, the scanner. Okay. Here's what we're doing here. Yeah, you guys have probably seen this a million times, but we'll show you anyways. And one of my clients' friends gave me this. Just gave it to me. He does smogs. California requires smog. Take that out. That's where your fuses are, by the way. There we go. All right. Ooh, let me go. I think it's over here somewhere. Oh, it was. Okay, still with me? Good. We got the. Okay, here we go. We got this, the scanner. We want to diagnose, so we hit OK. Hit OK again. And it's connecting to the car. We might have to turn the car on. And here's what we got going on. And just so you know, here. Here's what happens. I'll start the car. I think that's what the scanner wants. So there's the. By the way, when you're starting a car, it's a good idea to let at least the gauges do the sweeps. Then start it. You see how the engine light stays on? The engine light stays on. So, let's go back to this. Just wanted to show you that. That's going to get annoying. Let me turn that off. Okay. Alright, get with me. Here we go. Okay. Error. Now, let me turn the key on. There we go. I think it works a little better. So there we are. We're just waiting for the system to wake up. Okay. Okay, we're good there. So we hit OK. Now we go to read codes. And you see that? It's CBC6D. So then we hit OK on that. Emissions, evaporative emissions systems leak detected. Very small leak. Very small. Okay. And we go back. Go down. This vehicle has no fault codes. Okay. Go back. Push that. You see that. Oh, there. It gives you the actual P046. Okay. Pretty standard. So, we go back. Go back again. Erase codes. Okay. Hint. Clear emissions related diagnostics information. Are you sure? Yes. Turn ignition on while engine is off. Press OK to continue. It has been cleared. So, generic. Okay. But I'll have to go through so many cycles. However, okay. Go back down to race codes. Okay.